Hi everybody, this is Mario Altimari presenting PoLiL, a project created at LearningDAO. LearningDAO is building a full open source decentralized learning platform on Cardano, and PoLiL is the first autonomous component. In these months, a few people contributed to a LearningDAO mission, and the community is growing. Here are the main contributors and all the others. So, what is the problem on the market and what solution we made? EdTech giants such as Coursera siloed their users, preventing learning data interoperability. That generated a few issues. For example, similar or overlapping learning material experienced on different platforms cannot be used to certify new skill. But also, employers cannot verify user knowledge acquired. They just can trust the reputation of a certification badge. So we built an open source a learning tool with no vendor lock-in that to put the user in control of their learning data. PoLiL is a connector between user and learning platform and accessible through a Cardano wallet. You can have more info on polil.net or on our GitHub repo. For a better understanding, let's visualize things. Let's clarify the meaning of a certification badge and what instead of a proof of lifelong learning.
What is a diploma or a certification? It is a snapshot of your knowledge of a picture at a certain time. This is you. Your knowledge grows with you. Everything you study and learn is you. Sometimes when you complete a learning path, you get a certificate that proves it. Sometimes what you learn is not on a defined path, sometimes what you learn doesn't end up with a certificate. You could think you are close to the finish line, but learning is a lifelong process. Everything you learn is always part of your knowledge. Everything you learn makes you who you are. PoLiL connects the dots. PoLiL is your proof of lifelong learning journey.
We evolve our knowledge in many ways, not just by following a Coursera course, but also doing our hobby, training at work, or just via exposition through learning materials. PoLiL can store all of this info in the user's Cardano wallet, not just because it's cool or fair, in the end it's our data, but also because many services can be built on top. Imagine a clever system that collects the user learning data and create a new certification or qualification just by matching things that user already know, plus extra material suggested. So let's say Alice does course about statistics, a few course. So all of this information are stored, and the system realizes that this is she deserves a badge of course completion of statistics. But also Alice does assessment and verification about statistics, this red one. Then the system associates these two experience and generate another badge about statistics certification, maybe more deeper knowledge for her. But Alice is she's also doing a training on the job using Python. This experience is stored as well, and then the system associate the previous experience plus Python, and then the system can easily return a new badge for her about data scientist. So maybe she can start a new kind of job or new career. We can go even further. So Alice is voluntary in a pet caring, and also she has a hobby of gardening. These two information tell the system that Alice nature lover and no return a badge. Now Alice can do something with badge, displaying this badge somewhere, or just keep it for her. This information will stay for her forever. Nobody can take it back. So the main things here is that user could be able to certify knowledge through multiple learning experience in different disciplines and context. So we are removing the learners from their siloed isolation. So after all of this information, finally we are ready to go with the demo. Let's see. So I'm connected to my PoLiL page. Uh, then I have my wallet. So in this wallet, I'm Alice, and I decide to do something. Okay, I'm connected, and I want to access to Moodle. Okay, the system recognized me because I'm already registered to our Moodle instance, but I suggest to follow the other videos here linked for the scenario of a user that is not yet registered. There is an email confirmation that I want to skip now. So I want to access to Moodle. This is the link, and boom. Let's see if the system recognizes me. File. Okay, I'm Alice, and I want to follow this course, Tropical Rainforest. So Alice already started this course, and this is what she already experienced. So let's say we go to people of the rainforest. Alice read everything, and now she's more interested on deforestation and video, and play the video. Play the video. Yes. Perfect. And then she go through everything. And then she started, she left. Um, let's see if this learning experience are properly recorded. So I access to my learning record store. I search for, oh, Alice is here. So now I assume that if I go to my wallet, so but this is just for admin, so the user would not see that. So okay, so Alice has a few transactions here, and they are not yet submitted because she has to verify and see if what she recorded is something that she want to commit forever. So let's see, I go here and I see what is about Alice. Okay, this should be my address. Let's see if it's my address. Yeah, looks this. And then what Alice experienced is she viewed in the course of proof of lifelong learning. Okay, and let's see another one. Okay, so she experienced the tropical rainforest. Let's see another one. And it's completed. She completed a deforestation. Good. So Alice is quite happy with that, and she decided to submit. Password. Okay. Now it's waiting for submission. Yeah, we have just to wait a little bit. Okay. Then yeah, let's see if the transaction went through. Okay, pretty good. It's my wallet. Okay, so let's do another test now. I'm accessing to another user, David. Let's just remove the okay. And the user. Let's see if there is something from him. Nope. Okay. Again, he's already a user of our Moodle instance, and same course. Okay, he went through already a few of them. Marcus Red, and then he remove it. Yeah, and he is back. Okay, and let's see. So there are obviously again something new and something to submit. But we want to do something different now. So assuming that David want to attend a conference, so we built this dummy app just to show the scenario. So he registered to this conference because there is a very interesting topic talking about Cardano Summit 2023 because there are very clever speakers and including someone that can teach something. And so David decided to attend it, not the robotics, but attend the Cardano Summit. So obviously in this app is stored already his email and a wallet address, but for the purpose of demo, we just hard coded this information. So what happened to his wallet? Let's see if there is something new. Oh, there is something new here. There's something new to see. Okay, David experienced a conference attendance, and I'm sure he want to transact that. Okay, so if we wait for this one, let's see. Okay, started. So that's it. We now have nothing to commit again. Everything is inside the David wallet. So let's see how PoLiL is done behind the scene, how the components work together. So we have the users that is access to PoLiL app through the wallet. And what we did, one of the most important things was this plugin for Moodle. Moodle is the most famous and adopted open source learning management system on the market. We also did this conference app as a demo use case, and every learning management system vendor can use our code because it's on GitHub. We use to track learning statements, use the standard XAPI. We also did a modification of tracks LRS. So we store this statement on our modified LRS, and another application that we did is able to intercept this XAPI and store them on interplanetary file system, but and also on our learning DAO DB. So when the user decide to store the learning experience. The user pay one symbolic ADA to our learning DAO treasury that store that information on Cardano forever. And here on a learning DAO repository, you can see lots of activity. So PoLiL in with the app, and the learning record store modified to store on EPFS, the interceptor modified, and the Moodle connection to Cardano. We would like to see edtech companies adopting Cardano for their needs. They just have to copy what we already did on Moodle. And that's it. Thank you so much. Thank you, Cardano Community. Thank you, Project Catalyst. I hope you enjoy it, and see you soon.